Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to TempcoderTech. I'm Mike, and today we've got a fantastic topic in store for you. We're going to unravel the world of PowerShell loops. These are essential for anyone who works in sysadmin and development. By the end of this video, you'll be looping through code like a pro. So, let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics. What are loops, and why are they important in programming? We kick things off with the for each loop. It's perfect for iterating through arrays. Check out this example, and I'll break it down for you. We define an array $fruits containing 3 fruit names. Then, we use a for each loop to iterate through each element of the array. For each element, we print a message using writeHost. Next up, we've got the while loop. It's your go-to for repetitive tasks. Here's how it works. We initialize a variable $count to 1. The while loop runs as long as the condition $count $5 is true. Inside the loop, we print the current value of $count and increment it by 1. Time to introduce the for loop, a powerhouse for controlled repetition. Watch closely to understand how it works. The for loop is used when you know the number of iterations in advance. We initialize $I to 1, set the condition to run while $I is less than or equal to 5, and increment $I by 1 in each iteration. We print the value of $I in each loop. Brace yourselves, we're diving into nested loops. These are amazing for tackling complex scenarios. Check out this example. Here, we have 2 arrays, $colors and $shapes. We use nested for each loops to iterate through both arrays, creating combinations of color and shape and printing them. And that's a wrap for our comprehensive guide to PowerShell loops. You're now armed with the knowledge and skills to use loops effectively in your scripting adventures. Don't forget to visit the blog post linked below for scripts and additional resources to practice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our weekly tech tutorials. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Keep coding, keep scripting.